I'm wondering.
Lily, do you want me to come back? Is it only Sasha that wants to come back?
We'll see our viewers.
I'm the main
on tea
character.
break.
And you're the main character. Like, the main character wants me to come back. What's your problem?
Let's leave it to the viewers. Viewers will tell us.
I don't trust this one. These ones don't like me. If this vote, I'm not coming back.
It will depend what
Because she also came back because of the viewers.
Oh, barely the viewers like her. I guess if Sasha's nice and quiet and humble and she's hot.
Hot like a heater.
Yes.
Eh?
Hot like a
You know, Sasha. You know, Sasha. In this episode, you were talking. I can't think.
Because of me.
What
Did you
you-
say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you, Lisa.
Vele, it's because of her. Mnungu Konwa kanjalo now, which is because of Lisa.
No, I gave her a pep talk.
Was it because of Lisa when you were talking? Hey, now so you have.
Bekanshaya lana.
Now so you have.